take my son to the park with me. Yeah. Hey guys, please take my son to the park with me. We'll start by the pond just to see how the ducks are doing. After that, to go to the big park where most of the people they just do dog walking there. And then after that, I'll take him to his own park where he will play and have some time. But by doing this again, I just want to achieve my 1,000 footsteps a day. So I'll be running around in that park, in the big park, just to achieve, my 1,000 steps a day. So let's go.